What's up guys? Today, this is Trilogy Effect and we're gonna be doing an unboxing for a grid unassembled iPhone. This is gonna be the iPod Touch model. I saw these online and I've been wanting to get one for a while. And I suck at unboxing, so I see this little cut here and we're just gonna go from here and go forward. These are pretty cool. Like I said, I suck at unboxing, so this isn't gonna be like an ASMR one or anything like that. It's just gonna be an unboxing for you guys on the channel. Yeah, I've been wanting to get one of these for a while, but they're always so expensive. But I do like how they have these, if you can see, they have these wooden corners over here. Oh, they're not even wood, they're like a, kind of like a rubbery plastic for absorbency and stuff like that. And this came straight from China, and I want to say it got here within 2 weeks, so it wasn't too bad as far as Chinese shipping goes. Sometimes you get stuff from China and it'll show up so late that you forget you even ordered it. But that wasn't the case with this. I was tracking it pretty much every day, but I ordered it about 2 weeks ago, but I'd probably say shipping might have been a little bit faster. So we have it's a very thin box, and we're gonna go ahead and cut right here, unbox. Oh, wow. Wow, this feels pretty premiere. Like, can you see that paper on there? And it has this seal on here. That is so cool. And it has like these leaves and stuff. That's so cool, super cool. What else do we have in the box? Bees/7000. I don't know what this is, but hopefully there's like an instruction manual. Looks like these are some wall mount type things. Besides that, there's also like some styrofoam in the corner of the boxes to further protect it. When limited if I post this on my Instagram, I could possibly get a free iPhone, the free iPhone model. So that's pretty cool. Blah, 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 blah. So they don't tell me what this is. So before we get to the main meat and potatoes, I want to see what this B7000 is. Product description. It's an adhesive, it says. I'm not sure what that's for, but yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. Oh wow. I feel bad just tearing this off. It's so cool. It's really cool how much, but you can see, looks like they got a little sloppy with it. It dripped all over on this side. You can see it up here. Okay. Which side feels like the front? This feels like the back. So let's open it from here. Yeah, this is the back. Oh, wow. And as you can see, this is the final product. Okay guys, so this is gonna be just a close-up from the other end. You have, this is, in theory, this is what they say, this has every part of an iPod. If I were to break it out of this case and assemble it, it is supposedly supposed to work. I'm not going to do that, but I just think this is so cool. So cool, so cool, so cool, so cool. I would have liked to get an iPhone 6. That was my first iPhone, but they didn't have the 6 on there. So I actually did have an iPod also. So I got the iPod instead. They didn't have any iPhone 10s or anything. They had a Game Boy, they had a BlackBerry, a Nokia on there, but I never had any of those devices. I just felt more intimate getting the iPod on here. But yeah, that's super cool. It's a decent sized frame. And it was like $130 for this after taxes and fees. I had a coupon on there. But yeah, that's super cool. I love this device and I can't wait to frame it. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for me. I'm Trilogy with Trilogy Effects. I do technology, anime, gaming, manga, all kinds of content on my channel. Today we did an unboxing for the Grid iPod Touch Unassembled Edition. If you like stuff like that and you want to see more content, I have curated playlists on my checklist. I definitely recommend you guys check them out. This is Trilogy with Trilogy Effect. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.